like this. It's sort of in between the two.
But that's what I should get.
I think so, but there's other good classes which you'll see. So a naked bike basically is just a motorcycle with no fairings. You see there's no fairings on it, right? They can be really fast, or you can get the starter ones that aren't so fast. If you drop them, like if it falls over on its side, you're not going to cause a lot of damage because there's no fairings to break. Okay? So that's a plus sign. You also sit more upright on that than what you do on a sports bike. So you should buy that if you want power and handling, but you want a bit more comfort than what a sport bike will give you. If you want high performance, but you don't want to pay high insurance, or if you want to do stunts, that's the kind of bike you want. Then there's this kind, which is a cruiser, which is like mine, my muscle cruiser. They're full of torque and very heavy. Not really. You can get starter cruiser bikes, but there's just not many of them. Now there's this, the Enduro, the dual sport. This is what my first bike was like. Similar to. That's more for off-road.
So what kind of bike should I get?
Then there's the adventure bike, which you wouldn't want. But there's that kind of bike. A retro bike. Now that is very similar to my first bike as well, and it gives you a little bit of off-road, but mostly street. So what it means is you could go down a gravel road without issues.
I like that. I like being able to go on all terrain.
It's not as all-terrain as this one is. This one is full all-terrain. You could go through rivers. You know, if the river's only like this high, you can drive right through the rivers. Over rocks. That's why the suspension's so high, so they typically set up high. Those ones, right? This one, you can do a little bit of off-road, like through gravel roads and stuff. But that's about it, because it is meant for more comfort on the road. So that would be a good choice. You should buy that if you like a bike with classic lines but want more performance or less weight than a cruiser. Or if you wear skinny jeans and flannel and drink PBR.
What's PBR?
I have no idea. I'm guessing it's some millennial thing. A tour, which you wouldn't want. So there you go.
So which one should I get?
Well, personally, I think something like this. Or that one's hard just because they're so tall. Either that or a naked.
Then I want the other one. Because then I can go on other...
Right? So you've got, like if you do...
So what